Welcome back to my channel. This is Nikki of Nikki's Homemade Crafts. This handy notions pouch is great to store your stitch markers, your tapestry needles, and all kinds of other needles, as well as your scissors or extra tools. It makes a fantastic gift. This pattern is part of a very special event called the Advent Calendar Crochet Along. It has a mystery effect to it because you don't know which pattern will be published each day. There will be 24 free crochet patterns out of 30. You can get the entire 30 crochet patterns in an ebook. It's all last-minute gift ideas. If you would like to get the ebook, check the link down below in the description or my website. The entire event is sponsored by Lion Brand. So let's get started with today's quick crochet pattern. In order to crochet the notion pouch, I'm using these two colors, which are Colonial Blue and Silver Blue from Lion Brand's Vanna's Choice. And I'm also using a G plus 4.5 millimeter hook. Crochet a chain of 18. Now, starting from the second chain from the hook, crochet one single crochet per chain. You will end up with 17 stitches. Now turn and chain 2. We're now crocheting linked crochet, specifically linked double crochet. So after you chain 2, you're inserting your hook into the second chain from the hook, yarn over and pull through. So that is your yarn over for the double crochet. Now insert your hook into the first stitch. Pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Finish it up like a regular double crochet. For the next stitch, you see here this horizontal bar. Insert your hook into it and now pull up a loop. And now insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, and finish it up like a normal double crochet. Continue until the end of the row and then turn. Now continue until you have 8 inches in length by repeating single crochet, linked double crochet, and so forth every row. Then you're going to slip stitch to the center, chain 10, and slip stitch to end of the row. Then fasten off and weave in your end. Now let me tell you how to crochet the little pieces in the middle. So that means you have a few pockets to add to your little notion pouch. So both pieces are done in silver blue. And you're going to chain 11 and then turn, and starting from the second chain from the hook, crochet single crochet rows. Okay, so you will have 10 stitches per row. You're going to crochet 7 rows. Then in the next one, you're going to crochet 1 single crochet, 8 chains, 1 single crochet, and turn. And then you're going to crochet 1 single crochet per stitch or chain. And then you're going to add 5 more rows on top of that, all in single crochet. So that way you have that little bit of a gap. For this piece right here, you're also going to chain 11 and you're going to turn, starting from the second chain from the hook, crochet 1 single crochet per chain. So you end up with 10 single crochets in a row. Then you're going to crochet 11 rows in total in all single crochets. Then in the next row, you're going to crochet 1 single crochet, chain of 8, 1 single crochet. Now you're going to turn and repeat that process. So 1 single crochet, chain of 8, and 1 single crochet, and then turn and then crochet 1 single crochet in each stitch or chain. That allows you to have this little band right here of just chains. This is great for stitch markers or anything that you want to hang on to it. Now it's a matter of sewing these 2 pieces onto the bigger piece. So I'm going to arrange mine this way. So that means I'm going to sew all the way around this piece on all 4 sides. That allows me to have these 2-sided pocket right here. So I can put something in this direction or in this direction. For this piece, I'm also sewing it on all 4 sides. That way I can add something in here as a bigger pocket, or I can hang something here if I wanted to. As you're sewing this on, make sure you're not going all the way through because you don't want to see it on the other side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply pull up little loops right here from that Colonial Blue. So that way I'm not going all the way through, but I'm still able to sew my piece on. So now go ahead and sew your pieces onto your bigger piece. Once you're done sewing your pieces together, now you just need to add your button and then you're good to go, and you're done with your Notion pouch. You have a few different choices to get this pattern in a written format. Number one is my website. It does have ads, but you can view the pattern for free. Number two is you can get it as a PDF through Ravelry or Etsy. It's ad-free and printer-friendly. Number three is my membership, and you're not only going to get this pattern ad-free and printer-friendly, but you also get all my other patterns in a vault, easy to access, printer-friendly, and ad-free. And number four is the ebook that includes all 30 last-minute gift idea patterns. All 30 come with videos, and the entire ebook is a PDF. It's easy to print out, and it's ad-free. In fact, it even includes the feature that you can click in a table of content and jump right to the pattern. So 4 different options for you to get this pattern in a written format. Which one will you choose? Be sure to like, comment, and share this video. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to get a notification next time I publish a video or go live. Now go ahead and watch the next video. You're gonna want to, I promise you do.